Update on the Collision 2010 Ford Edge. As you see, it's back on fours. Yes, it does move. It does move forward. It does move backwards. No, I haven't moved it very far. I will get into that. I will be moving it out of the garage. Racket pinion's still broke. It's got a crack in it, so I'm still got to find that. But I'm getting there. We're going to start at the back here and work our way to the forward. Door opens good. Little bit. I'm going to be painting door jambs and everything. From the wreck, the door pushed in. So the door was rubbing. The bolts right there were rubbing there. So that's going to be painted. Gap. Good gap. Same size gap is on the other side. Same size gap is on the other side. Body lines line up. Door opens good. Gotta do some sanding on the body fill. Had a few imperfections that I wanted to just fill them in. Gotta finish grinding here. But door opens, closes, good. I mean, barely push it. As you see, open. I mean, I barely pushed it. It closed. Door gap's good. Gap up here is good. It's the same. I got to finish body fill up here. I got to finish grinding, getting that perfect. Front fender I've had off, so it's not completely correct right now. But it's getting there. Oh, back up a minute. Got the dent here. I got some, I got some guide coat on there. I use flat color because it don't use, mix up my, gum up my paper. So I'm gonna, sand this to make sure I ain't got no highs or lows for guide coat. The fender, I still need to finish up the gap. I'm still pulling all this back off. I guide coated the fender. I had a dent here. This was from the parts vehicle, but I guide coated it so I could block sand it so I can make sure no highs or lows. Did the same thing here. This was bent in. This was actually bent pretty good. I straightened it. The gap is actually good on the fender. The fender I had off, so I got to finish off the gaps on that. Hood hinge is bent, so I got to straighten it before I can go on with that. This is actually only a skim coat of Bondo. I actually thin it down so I can use that as like a glazing putty instead of going out and buying glazing putty. I actually did the same thing here. The fender, the bumper cover, if you notice, there's heavily scratched from the wreck. I'm actually taking the same stuff and Bondo, and I'm taking and filling that in. Some people probably look down on that for plastic bumper. It's plastic fill, so it's plastic. Done it many times. Never had an issue. I have a car that's been around for quite a while. I did for my neighbor. I did the same thing to her bumper. They've had that car. She has had that car for 10 years, and it's still like it's brand new, like the day I painted it. So, no, it doesn't bother her. I did pick up a headlight. Did have a broken tab. I plastic welded it back on. I use something hot. I've done different ways. This one I used a paper clip. Here's a paper clip. I took and bent it crazy directions so it wouldn't pull back out. And because I heated it up really, really hot, melted it into the head of the bracket to hold it back in place. I do that on bumpers too. Actually seen somebody else use paper clips on YouTube, so I'll do it that way instead of I was doing it with coat hangers and things like that. Something metal or a screen. But paper clip works better, I think. This headlight I fixed too. I'm still working on gaps on the front. Sorry about the lighting here. Still working on gaps. Up here, there's a little dent right here that I'm going to try to pop out. You guys can see it right there. I don't know if my paintless dent repair will pull, or if I can pull that with that. But if I can't, it's not a big deal because it was there before the wreck. But I just wanted to give you an update. I hope you guys enjoy it. I am going to be pulling it out to clean the garage this week. I had a motor job come up, or my son blew a motor up in his truck, so I helped him a little bit doing that. So I had some things, and I did some things outside. So I haven't been really messing with the edge very much, a little bit. Still need a racket pinion. Still need a few things. I gotta get the windshield replaced. But that's gonna be after I paint it. But if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching.